Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Francella here, and today I am super excited. I will be going on a journey, and I went ahead and I bought like a Yoni steaming seeds that I'm going to show you guys. And I also bought some Yoni steaming herbs. Now, first of all, Yoni steaming has been around for many years. Yoni steaming has been practiced all over the world in all the different continents, and this treatment was one of those popular treatments for postpartum after childbirth care. It helps to tone the uterus, shrink it back to its natural state, and it helps to release those energy and physical matter that remains after childbirth. Yoni steaming is also used for many different kinds of things, not just the postpartum treatment. These days, women are using it for shrinking ovarian cysts and fibroids. Every month I have insane cramps, and I'm doing Yoni steaming because I want to make sure that my cycle is a lot more smooth. I can handle any type of pressure that my body is under, and that I don't have problems when I'm releasing anything. Now, if you are experiencing like insane menstrual cramps like I am, then it's a possibility that your endometrium is quite stiff. So in order for you to get your endometrium to relax and not be so stiff, so that you can release very gently and not so difficult with cramps, then Yoni steaming is one of those practices that you can actually do. I plan to steam like before my periods and after my menstrual cycle, because I want to be able to detect like how smooth of a transition this is going to be from cycle to cycle. So that's one of the reasons why I'm doing Yoni steaming. There are a lot of different ways you can Yoni steam, and a lot of different herbs that you can use to Yoni steam. So I went ahead and I bought me some Yoni steaming herbs. I bought some herbs from Earth Mama Medicine. Earth Mama Medicine packages their Yoni steaming blend in this biodegradable packet. I love this because after using all of the herbs, you can actually plant this so that you do not contribute to destroying our beautiful planet. Yes, this Yoni steaming blend, it has a lot of herbs in it, and yeah, on the back it says that these herbs are USDA certified organic. Now, you need to make sure that the herbs that you're using, they are certified organic, because you do not want any inorganic herbs near your sacred space, Hanti. You do not need that. So you have to make sure that your herbs are USDA certified organic or certified organic. That's a must. Earth Mama Medicine created this blend. It is amazing because it has antibacterial herbs, toning herbs, and nourishing herbs all together in one super massive blend. Anybody can use it. But they have yarrow. Yarrow is one of those herbs that helps with the absence of your menstrual cycle. There is also rose. Rose is very gentle. Not only is rose quite gentle, but it also helps to balance your hormone. So there's also motherwort inside. Motherwort is very good for many different kinds of reasons, but it also helps with amenorrhea and other kinds of benefits that will actually help you when you're doing your Yoni steam. Lavender is an antibacterial herb. It alleviates cramps and PMS, so I kind of really like this blend already. There's raspberry leaf also, and raspberry leaves help with balancing and detoxing excess hormone, and it also helps to support your reproductive health. Then rosemary. Rosemary not only helps with upset stomach, but also bloating, and I suffer from bloating every single month. Like, I do not like to look in the mirror when I am bloated. Calendula, which is kind of like a marigold, but not the normal marigold that everybody's used to. This one helps with delayed menses. If your cycle is delayed, then calendula is one of those herbs that would actually help you to regain your regular cycle. So this pack has like a lot of toning, nourishing, antibacterial herbs like I mentioned before. And the last one is wormwood. Wormwood is a good source of antioxidant, and it really does help with a ton of other benefits. Earth Mama Medicine has a lot of herbs in their Yoni Steaming Blend, and they're all geared towards making you healthier. I want to read something really quickly that I found on the back of the Yoni Steaming Blend packet, and maybe this will be a little bit helpful for you when you're trying to select the type of blends that you want, what they're supposed to do, and so on. So here goes. This blend is formulated to prevent and ease menstrual cramps, help regulate menstrual cycle, speed healing and toning after birth, reduce fibroids and cysts, reduce endometriosis pain, relieve uterine tract infections, ease menopause symptoms, relieve vaginal dryness, relieve stress, release stored emotions, and release energetic trauma. So if you were traumatized before, if you're missing your cycle, if you're dry, if you want to tone your uterus, if you're having dysmenorrhea, amenorrhea, all sorts of problems, then and you are on a journey of yoni steaming, then yeah, this blend will actually be quite helpful. Now guys, of course there are other ways that you can help to smooth your cycle, like dieting, taking supplements, taking painkillers, eating healthy and things like that. But besides from doing all those things, then yoni steaming is one of those journeys that I actually decided to try, and because of that I actually went and I got a seat. This is the seat from Sama Handcraft. It's quite gorgeous. It comes in a luxurious package, and for me this is amazing because it's lightweight and I can actually travel around with this. I can store it in a very nice location, like anywhere I want to store this, because it's kind of compact and it's really tiny and lightweight. So I'm excited about that. If I go traveling, I can bring my seat with me so that if I ever feel like steaming while I'm traveling, then I can also do that. So that's why I got the Sama Handcraft seat, the queen one and the natural one. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, it comes with a cushion. This is the cushion, and this is the seat. This is amazing. Sama Handcraft uses the best natural wood out of nature to create their seats, and they put like a goddess on it. They carved the goddess here to do the carves and bring out the beauty and comfort of this seat at the same time. Sama Handcraft says that they use very gentle processes to actually achieve the carves that are on this seat. There was no like spray or inorganic type of materials used when they were carving this seat. Of course, there is another type, which is the golden type, and they use like linseed oil to actually finish the process so that it looks a little bit golden. But I prefer the natural one. I think I'm gonna be feeling like a queen when I sit on this. I'm gonna be on my throne. So the seat has a goddess on it, and this is definitely an assurity that you will be feeling just like a queen or a goddess when you are in your sacred space doing your sacred steaming. This hole right here, this is where the steam will be coming through so that it could go up into your vaginal canal. And if you look on the back of the seat, it does have some knobs. These will keep your seat secured on the pot when you yoni steam so that you do not slide or slip off, because that could cause some damages that we don't really want. So yeah, you have guide knobs or grooves that will help you to place your seat perfectly on top of your pot and do your steaming. Sama Handcraft really went over and beyond when they decided to make the seat, because they actually thought about making a cushion. So this is the cushion for the seat, and it does have Sama Handcraft here on the label, and as well as the seat does have Sama Handcraft carved into it. This cushion comes with buttons so you can fasten it onto the seat so that you do not have it falling off. It's actually fastened to the seat, so this is actually a really good idea. if you're gonna be steaming for like 10 to 15 minutes or even 20 minutes, then this is actually good because you have support from the cushion. So that's kind of really cool. I really love this seat. I got it off of Summer Handcraft, and of course you can also get it from Amazon. I'm gonna be leaving 2 links below: Summer Handcraft website and Amazon.com, of course, so that you can actually check out this seat if it is that you're going on a journey and you are trying to find a really nice seat. So this is my Yoni steaming seat, and I am super excited about this seat. Super excited. So this seat actually comes with a 4-ounce pack of herbs, and it says it's all natural, which is like amazing, all natural, and you can get from 4 to 8 steams with using this one. But I was really excited about that. When I checked the type of herbs that are in here, it does have herbs that are similar to Earth's Mama medicine, toning herbs, antibacterial herbs, and of course nourishing herbs for your uterus. That was the highlight for me when I opened the package and realized that the herbs are basically the same. Yes, so I was really excited about that. It says it has natural herbs like calendula, rosemary, rose flower, yarrow, motherwort, lavender, and of course they added mugwort to this one. So I got this one, and I also got a free gift, which maybe you can already tell. It's more herbs. So I got another pack of herbs with everything. So I'm excited about my Yoni steaming seat, my Yoni steaming journey. I'm going to be making sure that it is not just for health benefits, but it's also spiritualistic and ritualistic. I'm going to be writing in my journal. I'm going to be pouring my herbs into the earth so that I can release what no longer serves me and to get my body to the place where I want it to be at. What I didn't mention was that Summer Handcraft put a lot of information in their brochure here about Yoni steaming. When this product is not advised, this is important. If you're pregnant, if IUD is present, if you have waxed, then you should not Yoni steam. You have to wait for a few days and then you can do your Yoni steam. If you are spotting or if you have fresh blood or anything like that, you should not be Yoni steaming until everything is okay. Please make sure you go out there, you do your research, you check with your doctor, and you ask about these things before you actually start doing them. I'm not saying this is going to work for everybody in the world, but if this is one of those things that you have been contemplating about, it probably means that you should give it a try. So I'm going to be giving it a try. I want to actually do a video of me doing my steam so that you guys can see what I do, how I set it up. And that's all I got for you in this video today. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys. Bye.